friends, today we are going to see the recipe Avarakai Kootu, which is Broadbeans Kootu. This is a very tasty and easy recipe. Let's see the how to prepare it. In a pressure cooker, I am adding 100 grams of tur dal, which is soaked for 30 minutes. I have pressure cooked for 4 to 5 whistles. The tur dal is cooked softly and smash it with a ladle. Now we can prepare for the kootu. In a pan, I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil and a half teaspoon of mustard seeds. After mustard seeds splattering, add a half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 small onion chopped and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes in a very low flame. When onions turns transparent, we can add the next masalas to it. Onions should be sauteed very well. In this consistency, I am going to add some curry leaves. I am adding 1 tomato. We have to saute tomato till soft and smashy. Now after 2 to 3 minutes tomato is sauteed well. Now I am going to add the masalas. 1 by 4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder and some salt. A pinch of asafoetida. I am mixing all the masalas together. Chili powder is according to our taste. Masala should be sauteed in very low flame to avoid burning. I am adding the chopped broad beans. Now we have to mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. The masalas and the broad beans should be mixed well. Now I am going to add 1 cup of water to make the broad beans cooked in very low flame. Now we can keep the gas in a medium flame and should be covered with a lid. After 10 to 15 minutes, it will be cooked very nicely. Now I am going to add a masala paste to it. So I am adding some coconut pieces, 2 to 3 garlic cloves and 1 by 4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and grind it to a fine paste. After 10 to 15 minutes, the broad beans has been cooked well. The water has been drained out. Now we have to mix it. Now we are going to add the cooked and mashed dal and mix it well. Once all the masalas and the dal have been mixed well, if you want you can add some water for any consistency, but this is good so it should be in a thick consistency, so no water is needed. Now I am going to add the coconut paste. This coconut paste will give the taste, it will enhance the coot and it will be very super in taste. Now mix all the masalas. After adding coconut paste, only 2 to 3 minutes it should be cooked in low flame. Overcooking will turn the coconut paste into a bad cholesterol, so only cook it in 2 to 3 minutes. Now very super and tasty Avaraka Kootu, that is Broadbeans Kootu, is ready. Please try this recipe and share your feedbacks. Thank you.